Passive voice made easy in 10 minutes. Forms, uses, and practice. Table of content. 1. What is voice? 2. General structure of passive voice. 3. Steps to change active to passive voice. 4. How to identify active and passive voice. 5. Passive forms with examples 12 tenses. 6. When to use passive voice. 7. When not to use passive voice. 8. Practice. Multiple choice questions 10. 1. What is voice? In grammar, voice is a property of a verb that shows the relationship between the subject and the action. It tells you whether the subject is doing the action or receiving the action. There are two main voices in English. Active voice, the subject performs the action. The chef cooked dinner. Passive voice, the subject receives the action. Dinner was cooked by the chef. So, voice controls the focus of a sentence, whether you emphasize the doer active or the receiver result passive. 2. General structure of passive voice. The passive voice always follows this formula. Subject plus form of, to be, plus past participle plus optional, by plus agent. Subject, the person or thing receiving the action. To be, conjugated to match the tense and the subject's number, singular plural. Past participle, the main verb in its third form e.g., done, written, made. 3. Steps to change active to passive voice. Active, the chef, subject, cooks, verb, the meal, object. Step 1. Move the object of the active sentence to the subject position. The meal. Step 2. Identify the tense of the active verb cooks equals present simple. Use the same tense of, to be, plus the main verb's past participle. Is cooked. Step 3. Add the original active subject after, by, optional, only if important. By the chef. Passive result. The meal is cooked by the chef. 4. How to identify active and passive voice. Follow these two simple steps. 1. Find the subject, ask, who or what is the sentence about? The dog chased the cat. Subject equals the dog. The cat was chased by the dog. Subject equals the cat. 2. Ask, does the subject perform the action or receive it? If the subject performs the action active voice, the dog, subject, is doing the chasing. Doer. If the subject receives the action passive voice, the cat, subject, is not doing anything. Receiver. Quick clues in the sentence. Passive clue. Look for a form of, to be, is, was, were, been, plus past participle e.g., was chased, is eaten. Then the subject is likely the receiver. Active clue. The verb is direct, know, to be, plus past participle pattern. The subject is likely the doer. Test yourself. The letter was written by Maria. Subject equals the letter. Does it write? No, it receives the writing. Receiver. Maria wrote the letter. Subject equals Maria. Does she write? Yes. Doer. Once you check who or what is doing the action, the subject's role becomes clear. 5. Passive forms with examples 12 tenses. 1. Present simple. Formula. Am, is, are plus past participle. Active. The chef cooks the meal. Passive. The meal is cooked by the chef. 2. Present continuous. Formula. Am, is, are plus being plus past participle. Active. The team is writing the report. Passive. The report is being written by the team. 3. Present perfect. Formula. Has, have plus been plus past participle. Active. The storm has damaged the roof. Passive. The roof has been damaged by the storm. 4. Past simple. Formula. Was, were plus past participle. Active. Shakespeare wrote Hamlet. Passive. Hamlet was written by Shakespeare. 5. Past continuous. Formula. Was, were plus being plus past participle. Active. The police were questioning the suspect. Passive. The suspect was being questioned by the police. 6. Past perfect. Formula. Had plus been plus past participle. Active. The waiter had spilled the wine. Passive. The wine had been spilled by the waiter. 7. Future simple, will. Formula. Will plus be plus past participle. Active. The manager will announce the decision. Passive. The decision will be announced by the manager. 8. Future perfect. Formula. Will plus have plus been plus past participle. Active. They will have finished the project by Friday. Passive. The project will have been finished by Friday. 9. Modal verbs e.g., must, can, should, may. Formula. Modal plus be plus past participle. Active. You must complete the form. Passive. The form must be completed by you. Do perfect continuous have passive form? Perfect continuous tenses do have passive forms in theory, but they are extremely rare and considered awkward or non-standard in everyday English. You will almost never encounter them in writing or speech. Examples of the rare forms. 10. Present perfect continuous passive. The house has been being built for 2 years. 11. Past perfect continuous passive. The house had been being built before the funding stopped. 12. Future perfect continuous passive. The house will have been being built for 2 years by next month. 6. When to use passive voice. 1. When the doer is unknown or obvious. Passive. My wallet was stolen, you don't know who. Passive. The murderer has been arrested, obviously by police. 2. When the focus is on the receiver of the action. Passive. The injured hiker was airlifted to a hospital, focus on the hiker. Active. The rescue team airlifted the injured hiker, focus on the team. 3. In scientific, academic, or formal writing. Passive. The solution was heated to 100 degrees Celsius, objective, process focused. Active. We heated the solution, less formal, person focused. 4. To avoid assigning blame. Passive. A mistake was made, doesn't say who. Active. The manager made a mistake, directly assigns blame. 5. To improve sentence flow, keeping a consistent subject. Passive. The president arrived late. He was greeted by an angry crowd. He stays the focus. Active. An angry crowd greeted him, shifts focus to the crowd. 7. When not to use passive voice. Avoid the passive voice when you need your writing to be clear, direct, strong, or accountable. Here are the key situations with examples. 1. When the doer is important or more interesting than the action. Don't. Passive. The winning goal was scored by Mia Berries, the star player. Better. Active. Mia scored the winning goal. 2. When passive creates wordy, awkward sentences. Don't. It was decided by the committee that the proposal should be rejected. Better. The committee decided to reject the proposal. 3. When you need to assign responsibility or blame clearly. Don't. An error was made in the calculation, who did it? Better. The lab technician miscalculated the dosage. 4. In persuasive or business writing where you want energy and conviction. Don't. Your request has been reviewed, and a refund will be issued. Better. We reviewed your request and will issue a refund. 5. When the sentence becomes confusing or ambiguous. Don't. The man was hit by the car and rushed to the hospital, but then it was remembered that his phone was still inside. Who remembered? Better. The car hit the man and rushed him to the hospital, but he remembered his phone was still inside. 6. In most creative writing, narratives, dialogue, unless you want a specific detached tone. Don't. Weak. The door was opened slowly, and a candle was seen flickering in the dark. Better. Vivid. He opened the door slowly. A candle flickered in the dark. 8. Practice. Multiple choice questions. 10. 1. By the time the guests arrive tonight, all the food, blank. A. Will be eaten. B. Will have been eaten. C. Is eaten. D. Will have eaten. The answer is B. Will have been eaten. 2. Last month, these shoes, blank, in Italy and then shipped to our store. A. Was made. B. Made. C. Were made. D. Are made. The answer is C. Were made. 3. English, blank, all over the world, especially during international conferences. A. Is spoken. B. Speaks. C. Is speak. D. Are spoken. The answer is A. Is spoken. 4. At 5 p.m. yesterday, the patient, blank, to the ICU when the power went out. A. Was taken. B. Was being taken. C. Took. D. Is being taken. The answer is B. Was being taken. 5. According to the building rules, smoking, blank, in this restaurant at any time. A. Not permitted. B. Must not be permitted. C. Is not permitted. D. Must be not permitted. The answer is C. Is not permitted. 6. The documents, blank, yet, so we cannot proceed. A. Haven't been signed. B. Haven't signed. C. Hasn't been signed. D. Aren't signed. The answer is A. Haven't been signed. 7. By the end of this month, the exhibition, blank, completely. A. Will finish. B. Will be finished. C. Will have finished. D. Will have been finished. The answer is D. Will have been finished. 8. Every day, the cars, blank, in Germany. A. Are make. B. Is made. C. Are made. D. Make. The answer is C. Are made. 9. Right now, the house, blank, by the construction crew. A. Is painting. B. Is being painted. C. Is been painted. D. Paints. The answer is B. Is being painted. 10. Yesterday in history class, we learned that the telephone, blank, by Alexander Graham Bell in 1876. A. Invented. B. Is invented. C. Were invented. D. Was invented. The answer is D. Was invented.